As part of the Racial Equity and Correction Initiative, we're trying to get this data bill collected, because we know what's happening, but we need the data to support, to show that who's getting access and who's not getting access, right? And then we needed an oversight to actually get it passed with that bill as an enforcement mechanism, because the Department of Correction had already said that they can't police themselves. And they continue to say that by the way that they use the subjective views in doing things, in determining people's classifications. The classifications is based on objectiveness, meaning that it's set and designed to base and deal with people as they are transforming themselves in the moment, in the time. But what the department does is it holds on to anything and everything that you ever done. Never mind, Jamal came back on the second sentence. He wasn't even on the previous sentence, and he got sent to the max because of that first sentence, which doesn't make no sense.
So they knew he had 2.5 years, and they put him in the max, where he really didn't have the opportunity to figure out how to make it out when he got out.
You mentioned the study that the DOC is kind of doing on themselves. Is there any legislation? Is there any other, obviously there's legal advocacy from smaller groups, but is there more of a push maybe from lawmakers or anything to make any kind of change in this area?
Well, I just spoke about the bill that's pending.
Yeah.
And in the public safety and also in the judiciary. And I think we already had at least a hearing in the judiciary. We have an upcoming hearing in public safety right now that's coming up. And we would urge everyone to reach out to their state legislators and to ask them, get that bill out of committee and put it up for a vote. We need this type of information. And this came out of the Structural Racism Commission as a recommendation that they couldn't even do their jobs because there wasn't enough data to support what they've already been hearing from anecdotal.
Need to get the data.
So,
okay.
Right.
Jenifer, McKim, Hudson, thank you so much for being here.
Thanks,
Thank
Tori,
you
for having us.
It's my pleasure.